Hi guys, this is Martin and welcome to Martin Taste. This morning I went to Garlic King Market to get some seafood from there, and I brought something like 3 kilos of prawn, which made me think, okay, maybe today I should teach you how to make steamed Garlic King Prawn, 蒜蓉開邊蝦, which is one of the first famous Thai dishes in Hong Kong. And the good thing is, it's fairly easy to make that. Sounds good? Let's get started. For ingredients, we have spring onion, garlic, salt, oil, vermicelli, and the most important thing, prawn. First of all, we need to soak the vermicelli with water for about 30 minutes. For spring onion, we need to chop it into small pieces for later use. For the garlic, we also need to chop it into mash. For the prawn, we need to cut off the head, clean up the leg, and cut it into half. And also clean the black line inside. Next bit, we need to add a bit of salt in the garlic and then boil the oil. Once the oil is boiling, we put it directly on the garlic. First, we need to place a bit of flour in the dough, then the prawn, and finally a bit of the garlic oil on top. After placing it on the plate, we need to steam cook it for about 5 minutes. Finally, put a bit of spring onion on top. Hi guys, so this is the steamed Garlic King Prawn. If you got any question about the tutorial, feel free to leave a message below. Again, give me a like and share my video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy. Please tell me what you want me to make in my next video in the comment too.